This is why I always tell you that the trend trading strategy is still one of the best trading method which you should apply each time you are trying to trade. Okay, so check out this particular asset. This actually gave us an uptrend signal at this point, and of course, check it out right from here, guys. Right from here where we had our entry point, it bought till it got to this resistance zone, and that is a beautiful trading opportunity for those that are using this trend trading strategy. And in case you don't know, this particular asset is on 15-minute time frame, which means for good for 50 on 15-minute time frame, we are able to trade for a very long time like this. This is about 185 candles times 15. Okay, that will give you the exact time spent on this particular asset. Okay, just trading this asset alone. And of course, that will take like days before this trend will come to an end. And you can imagine you trading for days in profit, guys, in huge profit. That is how reasonable this trend trading strategy is. Okay, so we're going to be checking out this trend trading strategy and use it to check out the setup we had on each of these charts. Okay, just the way you're seeing it right now, and of course we're going to tell you what we're able to achieve and what we should look out for today whenever we are trading. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, I love using trend trading strategy because it makes it very easy for us to trade on a particular trend for a very long time. You can imagine you have an idea that a particular market or chart or assets will go in a certain direction for like 3 or 4 days or even 5 days, and you have the opportunity to plug in right from the beginning. And of course, this will give you a peace of mind. I mean, it will give you peace of mind while you are trading this particular asset for days, okay? Because you would have come in right from the beginning of the trend and allow it to play out throughout the trend period. I mean, throughout the period, in order for you to milk the market till the very end of the trend. That is the beautiful part of it, okay? So you can imagine you coming in at this point, okay? So let's say after like 24 hours, the market has gotten to this region. You don't need to panic again because at this point you're already in huge profit, guys. You just allow it to play out on it until the trend is all over, okay? And how do you trade this particular strategy? The first thing is to know how to identify the trend, or when the trend is switching from one trend to another. Then the second thing is for you to know your resistance, or how to identify your resistance and support region. Okay. The third thing is for you to know your entry point and when the trend is about coming to an end, which would be your exit point. Okay. So once you are able to identify these four things, then you are good to go. And in order for me to I mean for an easy way to access, to analyze the assets. Okay, that is why I am having this custom made indicator. So when it is showing a red color like this, okay, it shows that the market is on downtrend. Okay, when it is showing a yellow color like this, it shows that the market is on uptrend. So if it is at the support zone and it is now switching from red to a yellow color, then I should know that, okay, this is the right time for me to go into it, because at the support zone, I expect the market to either bounce back or probably switch the trend, or maybe it should break out below the support zone. So if it is switching the trend at that particular point and it is not breaking out from the support zone, then definitely it is the right time for me to buy, or for me to trade the uptrend at that particular point. So with this particular indicator, custom made indicator, it makes it very easy for me to get it right. Okay, so I hope you have gotten that right. Okay, and this blue arrow gives me an entry point, while the red arrow gives me I mean, it's I mean, let me say it this way, sorry. This blue arrow gives me an entry point for a buy signal on uptrend, while the red arrow gives me an entry point for a sell signal. Okay, but the sell signal will be obeyed when the market is on downtrend, while the blue arrow, the buy signal, will be obeyed when the market is on uptrend alone. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's see how we have been able to use this particular strategy to trade each of these assets. So I will be starting with gain next 1200. So I remember we milked this particular asset right from here to the very end of the support region. And for like 2 days right now, we've been waiting for this setup to kick off. I mean to kick off. Okay. So this has gotten to the support and was unable to break out from there. So it tried to go back on uptrend. So it gave us the yellow signal at this point. Okay. So I placed you can see this green horizontal line should be our entry point, and right there should be the stop loss. Okay. I gave us this entry points yesterday. Was it yesterday or late? I mean, the day before yesterday. I think it was yesterday. It only took some time to activate it. Okay, it got activated, and as you can see, these are highlighted TPs which you can achieve. TP1 has been achieved, TP2 has been achieved, and TP3 has just been achieved. It is as simple as that. So we are actually heading towards TP4, 5, and 6. This is a setup for spikes trading. Okay, it was yesterday. I told us in the morning that this is a setup for spikes trading, and you can see. So 1, 2, 3 achieved automatically, no issue, no stress, nothing more. Okay, so that's just it. So it remains 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we need to achieve the rest of the TPs. Okay, so it is as easy as that. I don't need to be bothered it's not going to go my way or not. If it's not going to go my way, it will have gotten to my stop loss already. Okay, so that is it, and that will only little. I mean, it will only take a little amount from my capital, which I think it is reasonable. Okay, so that is the beauty of it. So you can see you can also use to trade spikes, and this is on 15-minute time frame. Let's see the amount of. Let's calculate the profit we have made already. So this region, this has given us about 12,981 points. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. Now let's check out Paynex 1-2. This is Paynex 1-2. I remember when we milked this uptrend, okay, right from this support region, we milked it to the very end of the trend. But when it got to the resistance zone, I noticed that it's finding it difficult to break out from there. So quickly, immediately it switched from this uptrend to this downtrend, and we got the downtrend signal and a sell signal at this point. I gave us this setup: entry point, stop loss, TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved. As easy as that. That is smooth. So just 4 and 5 is what we are waiting for. Okay, so that is the beauty of it, guys. That is the beauty of it. Let's do the calculations together. So these also give us 29,489 points. Okay, so this chart is on 15-minute time frame. So that is why we are having a huge amount of points within a short period of time. Okay, so that is it. That is the beauty of it. It is having a pullback right now. After the pullback, it will continue with the trend, and of course, we are it's possible for us to achieve TP4 and 5. Okay, so let's be optimistic. Let's see how far we're going to go with that. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of this. Okay, so once you understand the trend trading strategy, then you are cool. Okay, guys, you are cool, always cool. So here is another one, a trend trading strategy also. Okay, so we add our entry point at this point when this got to the resistance zone, and it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. So we got our entry point at this point and our stop loss at this point. Let me change the color of this so that we see it well. Sorry, I just love um, showing us what we are doing so that we will have a better understanding of it. Okay, So this happens to be our stop loss and our entry point. Like I love taking allowing the first TP to come in very fast. Okay, so that is it. So TP1 achieved, 2 achieved, 3 achieved, 4 achieved, 5 achieved, and 6 achieved. This is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful, guys. So that is how it works. Okay, all the TPs have been achieved here. Okay, so right now we are actually waiting for it to see if it can break out from the support zone. If it's unable to break out from the support zone, then this color, this red color, is going to switch from this red into yellow color, and right from there we will start with our uptrend. Okay, we will start with the uptrend right from there. Okay, so that is it. So that is the beautiful part of that. Okay, so that's cool. Now let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, so this is another one, guys. This is another one. So this is another setup. This actually got to the resistance zone. We also started trading it right from here, from this support zone, and we milked it to the very end. It got to this resistance zone. We had to allow it. This is where we finished our trade anyway. Somewhere is where we finished our trade, because this happened to be the resistance zone, but it broke out above it and bought more. Okay, so we had to allow it to see what is really going to happen. So right from there, it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. Okay. So because of the activities that happen around here, so we allow it to sell a bit just to give us some assurance. So we give us some entry point, I mean an entry point at this point. Then right here should be the stop loss. We also have put the stop loss there if he had come in around here. But because we didn't come in on time, so we put our entry point here, stop loss here. You can see around this resistance zone. So TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved. This signal was posted yesterday, okay, on YouTube channel and also within the Telegram channel, okay, and all the have been achieved. So congratulations to those that actually picked up this signal. Either you follow the signal in the Telegram channel or on YouTube, probably you are having this indicator. So because if you're having this indicator, you can also trade it on your own. So all the TPs have been achieved, and I'm really happy about that. And it is most likely for the markets to get to this region, to this particular spot, if it should break out from here. So you should watch out for that. Okay, so you can see how the trend trading strategy is really playing out for us. Okay, so we don't need to stress ourselves at all. We just need to understand when the trend is switching, and that is why the indicator is there. We also need to understand if it is switching at the right place. Is it switching from the resistance place? I mean, it is switching into a downtrend from the resistance place. If that is true, then that is cool. Is it switching into an uptrend from the support region? If that is what we are having, then that is cool. These are some of the things we look out for, and this will help us to know our entry point, which the indicator will also bring out. Okay, if it is switching into an uptrend, then the buy signal, which is the blue arrow, is what you should follow. If it is switching into a downtrend from the resistance zone, then the red arrow, the sell signal, is what you should follow. It is as simple as that. Okay, you don't need to stress yourself. Place your order, set your stop loss. If you want, you can set some highlighted TPs. And of course, this will help you to manage, to take control of your trading activities without stress. Okay, you can also trail it down till the very end of the trend. I do that most of the time. Okay, so that is it. Now let's look at the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. We actually started trading this particular asset right from this support region, and we bought it till it got to the resistance zone. So it tried to give us a downtrend signal yesterday. So we had this setup, even though it has gone back to the stop loss. Okay, but we will have to revisit it again, because we believe it's still going to sell. But first, we need it to give us a clear signal that it has gotten to the next resistance zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. and it is now switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, then we re-enter the trade again. Okay, so for those that are having this trading tool, just keep an eye on this and see when these get to it is at the current resistance zone. Okay, so if it should break out from here, we will look out for the next resistance zone. If it does not, okay, it let it switch from this yellow color to the red color, which is going to be a downtrend, gives us a sell signal. Then you come in and set your stop loss. Okay, then you follow the highlighted TPs. Is as easy as that. You don't need to stress yourself. Okay, this is 2026. You just need to plan well and you milk the market with it. It is as simple as that. And that is why I don't really like stressing myself analyzing charts when I have a good trading tool that can help me to do that easily. Okay, so that is it. It is as simple as that. So guys, I hope you have learned a lot from today's video. Okay, a quick recap on everything which I have explained in this video. Okay, what I have been using, okay, is the trend trading strategy, and this strategy actually works for me. Okay, right now I am using 15-minute time frame, which means if I should come in here and trade to the very end, this trade can last for like 2 3 sometimes 4 days, sometimes 5 days before the trend will come to an end. And that is the beauty of it. Place an order once and allow it to play out. Okay, so far it didn't get to your stop loss, you are cool to go. Okay, so you should try to understand when the trend is switching, and is it switching at the right place, then follow the signals and milk the market till the very end. Okay, so if you don't know how to pick up your signals or how to analyze your charts, or you don't know how to identify all these things which I have mentioned in this video, then you can come for this custom made indicator. It will help you to achieve that easily. It is as easy as that. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And if you have any question, drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.